Hi, welcome back to Tiny RV Cooking. First, I'd like to invite you to like, subscribe, share, and ring that bell for new notification videos. I'll be putting out new videos every Monday and Wednesday. So today, I'll be making pepper steak in the crock pot. If you'd like to see how I make this super easy recipe, stay tuned and I'll show you how. I found this recipe from the Magic of the Slow Cooker. I'll leave the link down below where I found this great recipe. The ingredients we're going to need are: we're going to need 2 pounds of strip steak cut in strips, 1 onion, 1 red bell pepper, 1 yellow bell pepper, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a half a tablespoon of beef bouillon, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, 1/4 chili flakes if you want a little bit of spice, 1/2 pepper, 1/4 garlic powder, 1/4 ground ginger. To our beef base, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I like using the one that is brewed. It tastes the best. One teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Fun fact about Worcestershire sauce, it actually never goes bad. The longer you have it, the better it tastes. It's like fine wine. It lasts forever and it tastes even better as it ages. 1/4 ginger. One-fourth garlic powder, 1/2 pepper, we're going to add our cornstarch, our brown sugar, and our pepper flakes, if you choose pepper flakes. Give it a good whisk. To our pot, we'll add the mixture on the bottom. Get all the good stuff out. We're going to add our beef. We're going to add our onions and our 2 different bell peppers. We're going to mix it up just a little bit. I'll wait till mine wilts a little more, then I'll come back and whisk it a little bit more. This is made for a 4-quart, which is mine, to a 6-quart. So as you can see, it's 4 quarts, so it's a little tight. So I'm going to come back and mix it when it gets a little bit wilted. It'll be easier to mix in. Let's cook on low for 5 hours. So set it there. I'm going to serve my pepper steak on top of white rice and the sweet peas on the side with a side salad. I'll see you back in 5 hours. Hi, it's been 5 hours. It's time to see if it's done and to see if the seasoning is just right. This is time you want to add extra seasoning. Off camera, I added a tapatio to it, like 3 shakes. I added garlic powder, garlic salt, and pepper, just a sprinkle in there. I still need a little more seasoning, so I'm going to add some salt to mine. Just a tad bland. Okay, it's time to dish up. there, it's time to eat. And now for the fun part. We get to try our pepper steak. I'm serving it over rice, and I put sweet peas with it. If you want to do sweet peas in the Instant Pot, it is 0 minutes on steam or 0 minutes on pressure cook. Really easy. That's the only way I make my veggies. Let's give it a try. Really good. See what it tastes like with the rice. And get a veggie in there. So good. Really good together. I like mine a little extra hot, so I did add a tortilla sauce in it when it was still cooking. It gives it a nice kick. I only put 4 shakes in the whole thing. I added a pinch of garlic powder, I add a pinch of pepper, and I add a pinch of onions just to give it a little oof. And then at the end, I also put a little more salt in it. It's turned out perfect. So good, so easy to make. 3 pots, done, hardly any dishes. Love this kind of dinner. It is still hot in California, so perfect for today. Thank you for coming to Tiny RV Cooking. I'd like to invite you to like, subscribe, share, and ring that bell for new notifications on videos. I'll be putting out new videos every Monday and Wednesday. And please leave in a comment down below what you'd like to see me make my tiny kitchen. And leave in a comment if you make any of these great recipes. My camper is only 22 foot long, but I love her. I'll see you next time on Tiny RV Cooking. Bye.